Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome, my dear sons, to the last part, the fourth part of the final revision for grade 8 in science, first term. We have here model exam to answer. Question number 1, complete the following sentences. Mendeleev organized the elements according to their similarity in space. Of course, according to the similarity in the properties. Number 2, the ozone layer disperse the ozone layer disperse space rays away from the earth's surface. The answer is ultraviolet rays. 3, from the extinct animals in the old ages, space. The answer is dinosaurs and mammoth. Number 4, sodium is kept under the surface of space so as it is not react with space. The answer is sodium kept under the surface of kerosene or paraffin oil as not to react with moist air. Question number 2, choose the right answer. Number 1, transitional elements start to appear from the beginning of space period, second, third, fourth, fifth. The answer is fourth. Number 2, the extinction of Tasmanian cat is because of overhunting, but this question is cancelled. The second layer of the atmospheric envelope is called stratosphere, thermosphere, troposphere, mesosphere. The second layer is stratosphere. Number 4, the snow crystal's shape is hexagon, pentagon, octagonal, quadrilateral. The answer is hexagon. Number 5, the fossils exist in sedimentary rocks in Muqattam Mountains are ferns, B, coral, number C, Nemeolite, D, all the previous. The answer is C, Nemeolite. Number 6, from the endangered species, the bald eagle, the passenger pigeon, Tasmanian cat, dinosaur. The answer is bald eagle. Question 3, give reason for liquefied nitrogen is used preserving cornea. Because it has a very low boiling point, minus 196 Celsius degree, 196 below zero. So this very cold temperature help in preserving the cornea. Number 2, the lower part of the stratosphere layer is suitable for flying of aeroplanes. The answer is because it has no disturbances, no clouds, and the air moves horizontally. Number 3, petrified wood is considered from fossils. The answer is because it was an old living organism, a trace of old living organism lived in the past, and the organic material is replaced by silica salts. Number 4, put right or wrong in front of the following statements. Number 1, the elements of block P are organized in 5 groups. The answer is wrong. Number 2, the index fossil indicates the age of sedimentary rocks. The answer is correct. Number 3, halons are produced from supersonic aeroplanes. The answer is wrong. Number 4, the altimeter is a device used to measure altitude of planes on the knowledge of atmospheric pressure. The answer is correct. The elements of group 1A and 2A are good conductors of heat and electricity. The answer is correct. Number 5. The atmospheric pressure decreases by increasing the altitude from the sea level. The answer is correct. Model exam 2. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer. There are space bonds between water molecules. Metallic, ionic, hydrogen, covalent. The answer is hydrogen. Hydrogen bonds between water molecules. But remember, between water atoms, there is a covalent bond. Number 2, the air in the troposphere layer moves horizontally, vertically, inclined. No right answer. The answer is vertically. In troposphere, vertically, but horizontally in stratosphere. Number 3, the volume of hydrogen gas evolving from water electrolysis equals space the volume of oxygen. That of double, half, 4 times. The answer is the hydrogen double of oxygen volume. Double, because water consists of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen, H2O. So the hydrogen volume is double than the oxygen. Number 4, the second layer of the atmospheric envelope is called, the answer is stratosphere. Number B, the element Y17 from the elements of periodic table. Find its electronic distribution. Of course, KLM, K2, L8, and M7. The group number, we find the group number from the number of electrons outermost energy level. So the outermost energy level M contains 7 electrons, so the group number is 7A. The periodic number of period indicated by the number of energy levels. It has 3 energy levels, so it is found in period 3. Question number 2. Put right or wrong in the front of the following statements. The Earth's alkaline are good conductors of heat. Yes, it's correct, but this question is cancelled. Number 2. Atmospheric pressure decreases as altitude from the sea level increases. Yes, it is correct. Number 3, as the atomic number increases in the metallic property increases. This is correct in the group, but not in the period. The atomic number increases, the metallic property increases. This is correct in the group, but in the period it is wrong. Number 4, the index fossil indicates the age of sedimentary rocks. It's correct. Number 5, the ionosphere is surrounded by 2 magnetic belts known as Van Allen belts. It is correct. See the figure, then answer. We have here 2 atoms. The first one has 2H2 and the second one has 2,8. The number of protons in the first one is 12 and the number of protons in the second one is 11. So we have here one of them is an atom and the other one is an ion, of course, because there is difference between number of protons and number of electrons. One of them is ion, which is A. Which of the 2 graphs represent the positive ion? Of course, A, because number of protons 11 and the number of electrons is 10. 2,8 equal 10. So it is ion, positive ion. And which one of them represent a neutral ion? Neutral atom, not ion. Neutral atom is B, because it has 12 protons and also 12 electrons. Indicate the position of the atom in the periodic table, period and the group. The atom here we have 282. So we have here 3 energy levels, so it's found in period 3. And the last energy level has 2 electrons, so it's found in group 2A. Of course, you know this is magnesium atom. 12. Write the scientific term of each of the following. The continuous decrease in the number of an individual of the same species of living organism without compensating until all the individuals die. The answer is extinction. Number 2, a bird with small wings and short legs extincted from Indian islands. It is dodo bird, but this question is cancelled. Number 3, the ability of the atom in covalent molecule to attract the chemical bond electron to it. The answer is electronegativity. Number 4, elements in block S and they are dicovalent lie in second group of the periodic table. It is of course elements of group 2A, not 1A, and they are called alkaline earth metals. And also this question is cancelled. Number 5, safe places are specialized for protecting endangered species in their original inhabitant. The answer is natural protectorate. Question number 4, complete the following. The electronegativity in the modern periodic table increase from space to space inside the same group, from up to down, or from top to bottom. Wait a minute, electronegativity in the modern periodic table increases from bottom to up, or from down to up inside the same group. If you remember, we have group 7A, for example. The fluorine has the greatest electronegativity and it is found in the top. So the electronegativity in the top is higher than in the bottom. So we say increases from bottom to top inside the same group. Number 2, the last level of metallic elements contain space than 4 electrons. Of course, less than 4 electrons, while the non-metallic elements contain more than 4 electrons in the last level. Number 3, the ozone layer is in the space layer in the stratosphere layer. Number 4, fossils always exist in space rocks. The answer is in sedimentary rocks. Number 5, the elements of group 7A are called, of course, they are called halogens. Number 6, space is considered from safe places that has endangered species. Of course, the answer is Ras Muhammad Protectorate, or Panda Protectorate, or Bluestone Protectorate. Number 7, the bond between water molecule is called space bond. The answer is hydrogen bond. Between molecules, it is hydrogen. If he asks me between atoms of water of the same molecule, it is covalent, single covalent. But between molecules, it is hydrogen bond. Number 8, what is left by the living organism's body after its death in sedimentary rocks is known as fossil or trace fossil. Thank you for listening and for following us. I wish you get the full mark in the science exam. Until we meet again, thank you and good.